Good morning, guys. What's up? How have you guys been? So I've not been trading for weeks now, about 4 weeks now. So stuck on a trade, caught it deep, but not perfectly, as there's no perfection in this trading. So I've been using that medium to just take my time off and just rest. Because when I start trading, I'm going to be trading fully and no rest until that money has been made. So quickly, I tried to check the market sentiment, and some people still believe we are in the bear market, or we are still, and some people still say we are in the bull market. It's just that they said this type of corrections in the bull market are very healthy for the market to get, so for the legs up. So that's just it. So what I'll just be seeing clearly is just fundamentals about BTC, relating it and into the general market, as I've not seen something that can and evidence that okay, there's going to be any divergence, a big divergence soon. So the main thing now, I'll quickly rush through, is just the BTC market. And the BTC have been trying to BTC tested, went down, went back up to $11,000, and which made some odds dumped madly because of the BTC dominance, as more money is being transferred from the altcoin market to trade BTC market, because some people will try to want to recover their losses, the losses they encountered a few weeks ago or a few days ago. So that is going to make odds dump, and BTC is pumping. BTC pumped that time. So now BTC has gone to $11,000 and everything like that. But what I'm currently seeing now, a few charting. Let me just do one or two charting like that. Yeah. So concerning the BTC market, BTC needs to break this resistance here around 11,000 and go above. Breaks it and go above, or that's one, or it goes down. You get, then goes back up. Like this is like a ranging market, because BTC has been choppy these past days. So this is two. Lastly, it's either BTC goes down like this, bam, something like this. So this is number 3. But either ways, number 3 looks likely, but number 1 can still happen before number 2, before number 3. So I'm still confused about the BTC market. What I just need is the enthusiasm. I still need people's enthusiasm in the markets to make us see whether people are still interested to trade this market and they want to make more money. You get, not that everybody's still cold and we don't know if I can pump my money into this market. I don't know whether it's going to dump more, or I don't know whether if I pump my money into the market I'm going to see profit. So people are still what English will I use? They're still confused as regards their trade. So people are still like, okay, let me trade now. At least my spare cash, let me trade into the market until we have an evident bullish divergence in the market. So let's just see. That's what I'm expecting to, mostly. So if BTC can obtain gradually, you get, and the dominance of BTC doesn't increase too much, that's when we can now say, okay, the alt market can have space to breathe, and more money can still even be pumped from the BTC market, the profits in BTC market pumped into the altcoin market, and altcoin can now start uptrending. But now we don't need BTC to start pumping madly, because if BTC pump madly, the dominance is going to increase and alt will bleed too, will still bleed more. And what I'm afraid is that the market always go in cycle. The market is always in cycle. So looking at seller chart now, see seller 1 day time frame. The market looks like it's going to go in cycle, and let me quickly go to the 3 days time frame. So quickly, see how seller has been. See how it has been uptrending, recovering from that March dip. See, going down. So I'm afraid it's going to go down again, before it now diverge back to the upside. You get. So I'm not sure. I don't want something very bad to happen and make it test the bottom again like that. So I don't want something like that. So if that's the case, some alts might actually face something like that, because some alts are sharing similar charts, just like the seller chart, the Cocos too. The chart looks similar, and those too, the chart looks similar. So that's just it. Everything looks similar, you see. So we just need BTC to uptrend. We need BTC to uptrend gradually, or BTC just try to. We need that enthusiasm. That's just it. It's basically fundamentals. We need the enthusiasm into the market, into the altcoin market, so people can pump money into the alt market, and if we can start seeing evidence that okay, the alt season wants to start, like the fire in alt season has not yet burned out. So we can now see that okay, more money is going to be pumped into the market, because the enthusiasm will make more people pump money into the market, because they have alts to buy now for cheaper prices. So if we can pump money into the market, now the alts can recover a little bit from where they don't. Then we can now see some leg back up. You get, and people are really going to make money if the enthusiasm into the market is rekindled. So that's just it. Strictly fundamentals, nothing more. So I'm looking for evidence. So though I've been scalping cocos these past few days, like this past hours and like 2 days ago. So I've been scalping it in my spare phone. So that's just it. I'm looking for that evidence. You get, and if I can't see the evidence, I might just lock up my mind and just buy the dip, even if it dips again. I don't fucking care. Then just to wait and swing perfectly till I see maybe ×2 for some odd, because some has dumped 50%. So that's just it. It's just strictly fundamental. So we need enthusiasm into the market again. We need enthusiasm. We need fresh money into the market, and we also need BTC to act, to behave normal. We don't need BTC to start pumping madly. That's just it. So that's my review about the market generally. Thanks, guys. Peace out. Brother Michael signing out. Boom.